Alexander, great to have you here in our Business Growth Support stage. Introduce yourself.
Wonderful to be here. My name is Alexander Iosseliani, and I have been doing wealth management for the last 25 years, including high net worth individuals, plus servicing the families in the format of the multifamily office. But I'm a very experienced wealth manager and the family office manager for the last 25 years for high net worth individuals.
So if you see changes, which changes are you seeing at the moment?
As far as wealth management and finance industry, obviously the biggest change we are facing right now is a technological change, which is happening in front of our eyes. The new technologies, new possibilities are democratizing investing or money management. So the biggest change that's happening currently is technology driven.
Are you then also talking about technology in AI or just technology in general?
These days, abilities and capabilities of the technology just in itself became just easier to work. But these days, of course, AI is the next frontier, which is really changing once again in my career. Changes it once again because there were some financial and other tools which became accessible and it became easier to analyze things, etc. But these days, AI or algorithmic trading, for example, or possibilities are really changing the landscape because right now you cannot only use AI to make your life easier in terms of office work or analyzing certain things or doing presentations. You can also use it to help you analyze large volumes of data, first of all. Second of all, it really allows you to build things, like to construct a proper portfolio. In old days was kind of a big task to do. These days, if you really know what you're looking for and you know practical, particular inputs with the help of AI, you can easily do the job within a day. So definitely I'm talking about how AI is changing the industry I'm in, and it's happening very rapidly and nobody can really predict. So you have to follow. You cannot guess what it will do. You just need to keep going with it and see what it does.
Yes, and see which AI applies best to your company. So if you're in the wealth niche, if you want to grow your investments, grow your portfolio, what would you advise is the best way to grow? You say applying AI, or you have other advices what you could do to grow it?
Well, first of all, just use AI. At this point, I am at the stage where I use it as a tool rather than letting AI just do my job for me. So in my case, it's still more as a helper than a replacement for me because wealth management is still a pretty trust-based, emotion-based, human-based niche at this point versus, say, trading. If you're just a trader for yourself, these days, through algorithmic trading, through AI possibilities, you can really automate what you do. You can tell it, okay, if this happens, do this. If this happens, do this. In the wealth management area, which is more human and trust-based, where you need to know the people, you need to know their goals, their needs, emotions, problems, divorce, etc. You need to still maintain this human contact. But as a tool, it's becoming irreplaceable because if you do proper inputs, just reporting to your client, much easier. Explaining things visually is much easier. And analyzing the possibilities and opportunities as far as investing became easier and faster because, we can really concentrate on thinking about what needs to be done rather than spending hours, in front of the table trying to calculate IRR or DCF. So as far as a marketing tool, my industry is a little bit behind because it's still human-based, dealing with high net worth individuals, etc. So it's more like tools, but I see automated portfolios and AI assistants coming in the very near future. So I see my job will be less finance in the future, more human relations just to, bring it in.
Yes, more technology is coming in, which also brings the growth in the portfolios.
Definitely, because what AI allows you, if used properly, first of all, it allows you to achieve independent and kind of emotionless, clear analysis of things when you don't have the bias. Like, oh, I love this company. So, the report is bad, but I love the company. So let's hope. So really using these modern technological tools really allows you to be more robotic in this sense. But in terms of analysis, you want that at the beginning. You can use your intuition, emotions, etc. once you have created a solid research or kind of a foundation which allows you to make clear decisions. Because investing is all about making clear decisions. Nobody can predict the future. Your job is to just do your homework properly and then increase your chances of success. Nobody can predict it. And AI and other tools really let you do that these days, at least in my ear.
That's really valuable.